Welcome back to KOK Party Favors. I have printed the water bottle labels. They came out fine. I think that where I had the Cassidy and the birthday is kind of dark, but we're going to go ahead and go with it. As you can see, I printed it on glossy label paper, and I will have the link to this paper down in the description below. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut with my Cricut cutter. You can cut them with your Cricut machine if you like, or for me it's just easier to just cut them with the cutter. And all I'm going to do is just cut one and apply it to my Dasani water bottle here. Okay, let's get this out the way. And I always like to have something to grip the back of the label with, so I don't, damage the edges of the label too much trying to get it off, trying to get the backing off, okay? So I just take the corner and fold it over until I get it to detach. And what I do with my labels, I just take half of the label backing off, and I do that just so I can get it positioned good on the water bottle. And you can just sit it, in one spot. And what I do is I keep the old original water bottle label on there. I like it better that way. It gives a little support to the label that I'm applying. So what I do is just put it in the middle, take one side over, and then roll the other side over. Okay, so that is the back of the bottle, and here is the front. And they make really inexpensive party favors, because you can get like a 24 count of Dasani, which I like, and it runs about $6 sometimes. You can always find them on sale, but you get the water bottle that you like. I like these because they stand up and they're sturdier. A lot of the other off-brand waters, the bottles just aren't sturdy to me. So that is the end of this assembly video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, share, subscribe, comment, and I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.